Hey y'all, put your gloves on. Let's tie-dye. Okay, you guys, I am so excited to show you this dress. It's cute as it can be. We have no air conditioning. My gloves are full of sweat. I'm sorry. It's a size large. It's 100% cotton. Excited about that. Brand name is Studio West Apparel. It's got this cute little black brocade. The skirt is double layered, so it's got a little slip underneath it. The fabric is really thin. Nice and airy, beautiful summer dress. It's been soaked in soda ash water solution for 20 minutes or more, spun out in the wash machine till it's damp. Let's have some fun. I thought about this what do I want to do with this, and I think what I'm going to do is make a spiral, but I'm going to make it start at the lower corner of the dress and spiral toward the middle, like a starburst from the hem towards the waistline. With the skirt lying flat, grab the corner of the hem and start your spiral. I'm spiraling in a clockwise position up towards the waistband. You can see as I'm spiraling, I'm gathering 4 layers of fabric, the skirt and the skirt liner. And I'm just going to continue with the spiral pattern. I'm going to have to help it along because there's a lot of fabric. I don't want it to bunch up on itself. I'm going to use the heel of my hand to keep it nice and flat. And now that I've made it to the waistline, I'm going to stop my spiral and I'm going to rubber band this portion into place. Alright, I used 1 rubber band to hold the spiral into place, and now what I'm going to do is just crinkle the rest of the entire dress towards that spiral. From the skirt up towards the spiral, and then from the shoulder straps down to the waistline towards the spiral. Keeping it nice and tight because I'm going to have to get this all rubber banded up together, and we're going to have to try and fit it into 1 gallon sized Ziploc bag. So let's get these rubber bands on here and get it nice and tight. And as you can see, as I used the rubber bands to keep the scrunched up part in place, I also incorporated that over to the spiral to keep the spiral in place. There we go. For this, we're going to do hot pink, yellow, robin's egg blue, sweet pea, turquoise, and power berry. I'm going to work a little spiral here, and then we crinkled all this. So for my spiral, I'm going to use these 3 super bright colors, and then I'm going to take that up into here with the sweet pea and the turquoise, and then we're going to do a drizzle of the power berry. So treat this like you would any spiral, just make it really small. I'm going to start with yellow, then I'm going to go over here with the hot pink, and then on this side with the robin's egg blue. This will be nice and bright, and this will also give us a little bit of green, a little bit of purple, be nice and pastel-y and pretty. And then we'll take the sweet pea next to the pink here because it's a nice transition, and we're going to add that liberally but not saturating because it's really thin across the whole top of this, with some turquoise across the top of that. And then we'll do our drizzle of power berry. And that's it. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we'll turn it over and we're going to do the same on the other side. See, I didn't use much, and you can see how it really saturated. We're going to make this the focal, and the rest is going to be a beautiful crinkle. So we're going to do over here the same. I'm going to do a little bit of yellow just to finish that out. A little bit of hot pink. And this. So this is going to be a fun, bright spiral here. Then I'm going to take my sweet pea and just liberally back and forth. And then go over the top of that with my turquoise. It's going to find that white in there. And then we're just going to zigzag. That's it. Some power berry. All right, let's bag it. Erg. My bags are starting to malfunction. Ah, got it. And I'll see you tomorrow. Oh my God, how cute did this turn out? We have this burst that starts at the hem and works its way up toward the waist, which is showcased against just that beautiful blue crinkle. It makes your eye follow it around. How cool did this turn out? I'm so excited. That's the beauty of tie-dyeing secondhand clothes. Giving old clothes new life, more color. Tie-dye's not just for t-shirts. That makes this a beautiful statement piece. Beautiful. I love it so much. So there it is. And if you like these type of videos, please like and subscribe. I'll make sure to put the tie-dye in a playlist so it's easier for you to find. Lots of fun with this one today. And remember, be peaceful, be kind, it's important. Create something fun today, and I'll talk to you soon.